The insurance truth nobody likes. Most people think insurance is a waste of money. No returns, no profits, nothing happens anyway. That mindset is exactly why insurance feels useless until the day it becomes priceless. Insurance is not about making money, it's about not losing everything. Part 1. Insurance is not an investment. Insurance doesn't grow your wealth, it protects it. You don't buy insurance to earn, you buy it so one bad day doesn't destroy 10 years of hard work. Expecting returns from insurance is like expecting a seatbelt to make you rich.
Part 2. Risk doesn't ask for permission. Accidents don't check your bank balance. Illness doesn't wait for your savings goal. Death doesn't care about your plans. Risk arrives suddenly. Insurance buys you time, stability, and choices when life hits without warning.
Part 3. The rich understand this rule. Wealthy people insure everything important: health, life, business, assets. Why? Because they know rebuilding is harder than paying a small, predictable cost up front. Poor planning creates emergencies. Insurance turns emergencies into expenses.
Part 4. Insurance protects your family, not you. You won't need your life insurance. Your family will. Insurance is an act of responsibility. It says, even if I'm gone, my family won't collapse financially. That peace of mind is worth more than any investment return.
Part 5. Insurance works best when you don't need it. The best insurance is the one you hope never to use. The worst moment to buy insurance is after something goes wrong. By then, it's either expensive or unavailable.
The real role of insurance. Insurance doesn't make you rich, but it prevents you from becoming poor overnight. Build wealth with investments. Grow income with skills in business. But protect everything with insurance. Because one uninsured event can erase a lifetime of effort.